So I've been using AI to write videos on this channel that have pulled in anywhere from hundreds of thousands to millions of views. This channel is well past 300,000 subscribers, and I've had weeks where content alone has brought in more than most people make in a month. It came down to a 3-step process, and in this video I'm going to walk you through every step of it on screen so you can see exactly how it works and go run it yourself. Now this all starts with step number 1, which is training your AI on your voice. The tool we're going to be using today is called Poppy AI, and it's honestly made my life 100 times easier after I switched from ChatGPT. So essentially how it works is that inside of Poppy AI, you create what's called a board, and that board is basically your workspace. You can drop in pretty much anything that you want. Documents, PDF, voice notes, images, and most importantly, YouTube videos. And you don't need to download anything or deal with any kind of annoying stuff. You just grab the URL and paste it in, and the AI reads and understands all of it. That right there is the part that pulls it ahead of something like ChatGPT. Now the whole point of step 1 is making the AI sound like you, and the way you do that is by feeding it your own content. Head over to your YouTube channel, your Instagram or your TikTok, and grab your top 3, your top 4 videos by just literally copying the link of each one, coming back over into Poppy AI and pasting them straight onto your board. That's all it is. Now once all of your videos are in there, select all of them, and then what you're going to do right here is press G to group them all together. Go ahead and rename the group something like My Videos so you know exactly what it is. And by the way, if you want to follow along with me here, I'll leave a link to Poppy AI in the description, and later on I'll show you how you can get the template board that I use so you don't have to build any of this from scratch. Now it's not just YouTube, you can do the exact same thing for your Instagram, your TikTok, and even a Loom recording of yourself talking through anything where you're speaking in your own natural voice. You just need a decent amount of you actually talking, and that's what teaches it how to sound like you. So all you do right here is just open up a new AI chat and drag that group in so that it has access to everything, and you ask it one simple question: based on my content, how do I talk? That's literally it. And then watch what it does. It comes back and breaks down your entire style, your tone, the way you phrase things, the words you lean on, your energy, the way you go off on tangents, and then pulls it back. It's essentially building the full picture of how you sound. Now I already know what some of you are thinking. Of course it sounds right, it's just reading my own videos back to me. So let me show you this actually works in a voice that you already know. So what I'm going to do right here is grab a bunch of Alex Hormozi videos, drop them back onto the board the exact same way I just showed you, and ask the same questions. Based on this content, how does this person talk? And look what it gives back. Short, punchy sentences, repeats points 3 different ways to drive it home, direct, no fluff, straight to the value. If you watch even one of these videos, you'll know that's him. That's exactly how he talks. So you can see it's not just parroting stuff back, it actually reads the voice and gets it right. And that's the whole reason why this works. Once it understands how you sound, everything it writes for you gets filtered through that. That's step 1 done. So now that Poppy knows how you sound, step number 2 is deciding what the video is actually about. This is the research stage, and it's the part that most people just rush. Here's the mistake nearly everyone makes. They sit down, open ChatGPT, and ask it for a video idea on their topic and builds the whole thing around whatever comes back. The problem is the AI pulls from whatever already exists. Your video ends up being a slightly different version of something that the audience has already seen before. So I do the opposite. Before I write a single word, I want to know exactly what's already out there so I can go somewhere else with it on purpose. Say you're making a video on how to make money with AI, for instance. You just head to YouTube, search that exact topic, and you find the top results, the one with a few million views. That's the video that you want. Copy that exact link and then bring it right back into the same board your own videos are already sitting in from step number 1. This time I create a second group, drop that video into it, and then connect the same chat we've set up earlier. So now one chat can see everything. Your voice on one side, your research on the other, all in the exact same place. And that's where it gets useful, because instead of burning 20 minutes watching and hoping to catch one good idea, I just ask it one simple question. What is this video video not talking about that I can cover instead. It shows me the angle that the creator took, and more importantly, it shows me everything they left out, because copying what's already working gets me nowhere. The real opportunity is sitting in the gaps that they skipped over. That's where my video comes from. By the time Poppy answers that, I know two things for certain: what the audience has already been shown, and exactly the direction my video needs to take to feel new. So now the chat has everything it needs. It gets my voice dialed in from step number 1 and a sharp angle from step number 2. Step number 3 is where both of them come together and the script writes itself. So this is the part it all comes down to. The chat knows exactly how you sound, and it knows the exact angle you landed on. Now you just need to ask it to write. So the first prompt I give it is simple: write me a YouTube video about making money with AI in my style, built around the angle no one else is covering. That's it. Just one simple prompt, and in about a minute it hands you back a complete script, from the hook, the intro, the whole body, all the way to the outro. And if you actually read the hook it came up with, you can see it sounds exactly like me, right? It doesn't sound robotic or artificial, because it pulled my voice straight from the videos that I loaded in it from the start. That's the difference between this and just opening ChatGPT and asking it for a script. Now, one thing to keep in mind, you're not just going to get the perfect script on the very first try, and that's completely normal. The first draft gets you most of the way there, and then from that point, you just steer it how you like. So I'll go back and ask it and make sure the body section is longer, pack in specific actionable value, and cut out anything that sounds generic. You go back and forth like a couple of times, and each pass gets the script sharper. And here's where it gets even better. Remember in step number 2 when I showed you that you can drop in any video onto your board? You can do the exact same thing with this entire course. So let's say there's a YouTube course that you trust, or a creator whose scripts you think are excellent. You can take that content, drop it into the same board, and connect it to the chat. Now the AI isn't just writing in your voice of your angle, it's writing using the exact framework of people who already know how to make videos go viral. So now your prompt becomes something like this: using the script principles from this course, write my script so that it builds and holds attention. And watch what it does right here. It builds the whole thing. It tightens the hook, lays out the proper intro, orders the body so people actually stay, and ends by pointing the viewer to the next video. All of that in your voice using a proven structure. And this is the part I really want you to pay attention to. This exact process is how I made this video you're watching right now. I loaded my own videos in for the voice, I pulled the top performing videos on this exact topic for the angle, and I used the same prompts to build this script that I'm reading you right now. So when I tell you this works, I'm not just showing you something that I read online, you're watching the results of it in real time. So now that you've seen the whole process and the way I look at it, you've really got 3 options from here. Option 1 is keep writing scripts by hand. There's nothing wrong with that, but look at what it actually costs you. You're spending 10, 15, sometimes 20 hours on a single script, and most of that time goes into fighting with retention, trying to figure out why people keep clicking off, so you end up posting once, twice a month because that's all you can manage. And slow uploads means slow growth. That's the reality of doing it all yourself. Option 2 is to use a generic AI tool like ChatGPT on its own. And I get the appeal. It's cheaper and it's right there. I went down this road myself for a while. The problem is generic tools give you generic results. They don't understand what keeps people watching on YouTube. They can't read top videos in your niche the way this just did. And they can't truly sound like you. So you get something that reads like a robot wrote it, and then you burn more time rewriting it so it sounds human anyway. Option number 3 is the process I just walked you through. Your voice loaded in, a real angle pulled from what's already working and proven, structure doing the heavy lifting, all in one board. You just go from a blank page to a finished script in under an hour, and it actually sounds like you. That's the one thing that changed everything for me. So when you put these 3 side by side, the choice makes itself. You can keep grinding it out by hand, you can wrestle with generic tools that keep you stuck, or you can can use the exact process, you just watch work in real time. And that's where this last thing comes in. I built out this complete template board inside of Poppy, the same one that you just watched in this video, and I want to give it to you. It's already set up with everything, right? The voice group, the research group, the chat connections, all of it wired up and ready. You literally don't have to build anything from scratch. You just drop in your own content, your topic, and your writing. So if you want it, go ahead and sign up to Poppy using the link in my description. Once you're in, send me a message or drop a comment on this video and I'll get the template board over to you so you can start using it on your own scripts right away. Now, if you want to see how I take one of these finished scripts and turn them into a video that's actually ready to post, I broke the whole process down right here in this video. So go ahead and click that right now and I'll catch you over there.